I have Almoranas. I quit YouTube. Why? Why will you quit YouTube, Nisel? Because you have no monetize. Keep going. YouTube it's very hard than Facebook. Why you sub? Just keep doing. Keep going. Me, I have a 492 subscriber. 490 subscriber. I want more subscriber. I just keep going and be patient. Me, I don't